everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Free Fire lag problem in 2026. Free Fire requires a strong internet connection to play. That is why you must be connected to a strong internet or Wi-Fi network to be able to play Free Fire. If you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile network, you can try switching between the both. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device, which resets your network. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on storage and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space on your device, or else your device will slow down. The other thing that you can do is head over to Play Store on your device. Once you're inside Play Store, head over to search and then search for Free Fire and make sure that it is updated to the latest version, as an older version may also be causing lags. If all else fails, what you can do is head over to your app drawer, search for Free Fire, long press on it, uninstall it, head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and reinstall Free Fire on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.